Here is a company that prints everything we dream of and wish for. As an industry leader in eco-friendly digital printing, thinking about a better environment, Dilli is a leading global company which excels in both UV printing technology and customer satisfaction. Dilli, which grows as worldwide printers and presses manufacturers based on leading-edge inkjet technology, launched its business as drafting machine manufacturer in 1996. Predicting the future of digital and environment, Dilli introduced the world's first compact digital UV printer Neo Jet을 in 2000. In 2004, Dilli was credited for that the manufacturing process is suitable for global and environmental standard by ISO 14001 and 9001 certification. Since then, Dilli successfully released Neo Titan series and, in 2007, introduced Neo Sun series. And in 2009, Dilli were guaranteed its harmless products and ink by ROHS. Dilli was listed on Kosdaq market in 2011, as being awarded the first prize of IR52 Best Jangyong Shi Award and selected as WC300 Enterprise. In 2018, Dilli introduced an innovative digital label press, Neo Picasso, and it has been adored both at home and abroad. AEO has guaranteed the reliability of Dilli's products and businesses. NRTL certification from USA has proven that it is a perfect product for customer safety. Dilli's ultra-high-resolution printing technology meets detailed and complex customer needs. Dilli's printers showcase high-resolution printing on diverse materials thanks to Dilli's own 3 picoliters ultra-fine ink drop control technology, with 4-level grayscale, visualization of variable drop sizes, customized for customer needs, made it possible to express vivid colors and photorealistic images. Also, customers can choose equipment optimized for their needs from the wide range of Dilli's eco-friendly products. A roll-to-roll printer is used in diverse printing applications with a wide range of substrates and is most often used for adhesive sheet or banner. A flatbed printer is an eco-friendly applicator for various substrates, so it is often utilized for construction or interior design. Additionally, a smart hybrid printer, which combines the advantages of roll-to-roll and flatbed printers, makes it possible for customers to print on any kind of substrates. Our products are widely used in sign advertising, interior, and industrial fields. Furthermore, we keep creating new market. Research and development has also contributed to the creation of an innovative digital label press model, Neo Picasso. Neo Picasso is simple to use and features user-friendly operation thanks to an intuitive graphic user interface in the MMC program. Neo Picasso supports full-color variable data during high-speed digital printing on labels that require different serial numbers, such as ticket, lottery, or barcode. Just once is enough. Once the printing configuration is set up, Neo Picasso will meet all customer requests easily and simply. As a post-processing equipment, Dilli has digital laser cutting equipment to produce any custom shape, and a digital high-speed press, which is going to lead forthcoming printing market to complete double-sided printing at a speed of 120 meters per minute. Dilli's products thinking about future environment, which will become more beautiful than the previous days, are especially eco-friendly, reflecting the global trend towards greener solutions. Dilli's eco-friendly ink does not contain 6 essential toxic heavy metals. Thus, this leads in clean and eco-friendly working environment, meaning that Dilli's printing technology is attractive not only to workers but also to customers. Dilli's digital printer is providing excellent customer satisfaction service to more than 40 countries through sales service network connected to all around the world. Dilli has built a global network through vigorous technological information exchange and now ranks with international leading companies by possessing advanced technologies. Dilli's management system and their membership care system shows how much Dilli consider partners to be just like family. These values have been a driving force for Dilli to build a network with leading domestic and international companies. Dilli, the enterprise which opens the future of digital era, is developing technology for combining inkjet technology with upcoming bio and medical field. In the near future, many areas of medical devices such as medical diagnosis reagent, patching, and so on will be replaced by inkjet. Always thinking about a better environment. An industry leader in eco-friendly digital printing. Dilli, printing all you can dream.